How to search an image on Google. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then as you can see on the search bar, there are two options. One is of the speaker and next is the lens. So just tap on this Google Lens and you'll be able to see the Google Lens option over here. Now as you see, there's the camera option over here, so you can search with the camera by tapping on this and just click a picture of whichever image that you want to find. So right now it's all black for me, so I'm gonna get the images just like that over here in the search option as well. Next, what you can do is just go back and then tap on the gallery option if you want to search an image from already saved ones. So tap on that and then tap on the image that you want to search for. For example, I'm going to tap on this and then it will give me all related options over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.